Oh no, here comes the...
Is it tough cock that's coming?
Well, yeah, we know.
When there? It's drive because I got beg with money and I can't bother with that. Drive.
Hi guys, good morning from Jamaica. I just woke up in this beautiful cabin up the hills with my wife, Kem. Jesus Christ, we're married since a couple days now. Almost a week. Still feels surreal. She's asleep though, so I'm gonna try to wake her up, eat some breakfast, hit the road. And you know, when Kem and Alex hits the road, there's no destination. We just drive around, just being us. Maybe we can find a river today, who knows. Yes, join us. Malto palto. Malto palto.
What time is it?
Time to get up.
Stop that, there's still time.
But you know that it's time to get up now. Hmm?
What time is it?
Time to get up, sweetheart. Time to get up. Time to get up. You want some breakfast? Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Alex finally managed to get me out of bed, guys, because I've been so tired. There he comes. And now we're gonna have some breakfast, like really simple breakfast.
Really simple breakfast.
Really simple, just 2 slices of bread. No, I'm joking. So some bread, some plantain, some cabbage, some fruits. Oh, I look crazy. This is my morning face, guys. This is what my husband wake up to every morning, this face. It's crazy to say husband now, isn't it? Or you don't say husband, I say husband. But is it crazy to say wife?
I mean, I had you as wifey in my phone for a while.
Yeah, I've been stored as wifey in his phone for like over a year now. So, but the funny thing is, when we got engaged, he had a hard time to remember to call me fiance and not girlfriend, because he's always like, oh, my girlfriend. I'm like, babe, I'm no longer your girlfriend. But with the wife, you got accustomed like immediately, like wife. You haven't said girlfriend or fiance not once. That's good. So now we're gonna have breakfast to a nice view. Yeah, so we're having star apples and custard apple. This one is a bit soft. I got these 3 from my sister's boyfriend's family. So they're gonna be interesting to try. Love these. Haven't had this in a long time. Some East Indian mangoes, my favorite. Plantain, some cabbage, and 2 slices of bread. And some fever grass tea or lemongrass tea that we got from the yard right there. And the best view of all.
Oh, so sweet.
So I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna eat. Now, guys, as you know, Alex and I, we are made for the road and discovering. So we're just gonna go on a road tour, basically. I don't know what we're gonna find, but yeah, we're just gonna discover, basically. The plan was that we were gonna go to a beach, that's why I'm in my bikini and stuff. But I feel like, I don't know, my mind changed a bit. So I don't know, maybe we can take the beach tomorrow or another day. But I just feel more like for just driving and discovering right now. Alex is backing down. Because the Airbnb we were staying at is on a really, we're like up in the mountains basically. So it's like really steep, so we couldn't go all the way up to the cabin. So we had to park halfway and there's no space to turn the car, so we had to reverse all the way down. Now we're out and about in the Boston area. And one thing we've noticed is that first when we were here like a week ago, we thought that the roads got bad because of rainfall. But we were told that they're gonna build a highway, or I guess they probably mean like a proper road, because if you know, before Boston Road wasn't really the best, but now it's like really bad because they're fixing, because they want a road that leads directly from like St. Thomas, maybe it's Kingston to St. Thomas through to Portland, like better roads. I can show you guys what I mean. Yeah, so right now the road's really bad. I mean, honestly, a week ago it was worse. But they've like maybe filled some potholes and stuff with dirt for like a temporary solution, or maybe just that's just the first layer of the road. But yeah, I don't know what to think of this new road thing, new highway thing, because I'm just afraid that Portland, St. Thomas will lose the authenticity that it has from the roads that it used to have. So I just feel like maybe a new modern road could just let people just drive through and not really focus on just seeing Portland. And you know, if you understand what I mean, it's a bit hard to describe. But what do you think? Do you think it would be like better having a like proper road, or what?
Well, better roads usually leads to more business. So I bet, I mean, it's like inevitable if you have a good road. The what do you call
Authenticity.
it? Authenticity. And the character that Portland, especially from where, like Port Antonio, Boston, a bit before that, eventually it won't really be the same. I think it's inevitable if you have a better road.
Yeah.
You know, I bet you're gonna have big gas stations, malls coming up, because people will, instead of going Junction, right, people will start to go this road instead to Kingston, and it just probably gonna look more modernized alongside the whole, or at least big parts of this road. Don't you think?
Yeah, I think
And
so.
It's like a two-sided thing, right?
Yeah, okay.
Because we've been cussing about these roads when we drive them sometimes, even before.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But I mean, at least the main road will lose its charm a bit. But as soon as you just take off, I suppose Portland will still be Portland.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, I hope so. Hope so. ended up.
Why do they have it here?
Alright, we're right here. Oh no, parrot. I don't like to see parrots captured. I don't like to see any animal captured. But I'll show you guys. Yeah, our goal was that we were gonna buy jerk chicken at Boston, but when it's just so annoying when as soon as you get like you don't even park properly and they're already like harassing you to come to their jerk shop. So like, you know what, let us just go down to Great Huts instead and just have some lunch. So while our lunch is being prepared, we're taking a stroll. So if you guys don't know what Great Huts is or where it is at, it's just like, it's almost like a hotel, or maybe like it is a hotel, but it's like very it's not the typical hotel. It's like cabins, for example, up there, like those type of vibes. You have one there also, you have one in the bushes over there. So
I think Sledge sea moss drink really
strengthen
fired
you.
me up. That's why I had so good stamina last night.
What? You can't say that on video. Yeah.
Thank you, Sledge.
You're crazy. We have a nice ocean view down here. It's so scary walking down here though. Up there you have more of a villa. Are you sure, babe, that it's more like a villa? That one?
But I've seen them out for sale, so I don't really know what's happening.
I find these rocks really interesting. I wonder if it's like old reefs. Like old coral reefs. You understand what I mean? Like maybe thousands of years ago the water was like up here and this was once a coral reef. It looks like coral reef, but I could be wrong. I wonder what this one was. Do you think it was a pool or just like a sitting area? Oh, by the way, we should mention that this place I think is up for sale.
The whole thing?
The whole thing, yeah, Great Huts. I think they're selling it. I don't know what happened. If it's just like not doing as well as it used to before. Or I don't know if it's Corona that affected it.
Something must have happened.
Or if they
Corona.
went bankrupt, something happened, but yeah, it's up for sale. So anybody that wants to buy it and have me and Alex as your first guests, you're welcome. You are welcome. Now our food is here. Alex got some vegan lentil burgers with fried plantain as the bread. You like it?
Oh, it was good actually. Super nice.
Some salad with pineapple dressing. And I just got some simple chicken sandwich and some fries. Pretty okay. Hi again, guys. So yesterday, I mean it's a different day now. After we had left Great House. Why do I always call it Great House? Great Huts. That we showed you yesterday or earlier in the video. The plan was that after we had eaten there, we would have went to Nonsuch Falls because it was pretty close to where we were at. When we got there, we realized
we didn't know much about that fall. We just went there spontaneously, right? Because it was pretty close to where we were staying in our cabin.
Yeah, I mean really.
So, but it was a disappointment, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean really it was Alex that knows about Nonsuch Falls. Terribly important. You have seen some things about. You said, don't you have a falls around there?
No, I saw a sign. It's like,
you saw a sign.
So it's here. So it's pretty close to where we stayed. So that's why I just thought that we could drive up there. But little did we know that there's a fee to get in, and Kem and I, we hate to pay for nature in that sense. So we try to stay away from those falls.
It's like if we feel like it's not worth it, we won't pay at least, because I mean it's Portland. There are lots of waterfalls all over for free. So we just didn't see the sense of paying $1,500 to see waterfalls that we can see just alongside the road, just driving.
But was it 2,500 to get down to the falls? No, that was
2,500 to go to the bottom of the falls, like further down, and 1,500 Jamaicans to just stay at the top where we were. We're like, nah, skip that. So it ended up being that we skipped it. And then it started to get late. It started to rain also. I was like, okay, whatever. Let's just go home, make some dinner, have a cozy evening. Because I mean, we're honeymooning. Yeah, you get it. So like, let's just have it cozy. So we went home, made some dinner, drink some rum and ting, and then we had some sorrel beer. Oh, speaking of sorrel beer, Alex, last time there was it was Red Stripe company that was making sorrel beer, but we haven't been seeing it. But instead we see this new company called Royal Jamaica making sorrel beer. I must say, it's good. I don't know. It's really good comparing to Red Stripe beer, sorrel beer that I've had. You can taste the real sorrel. You just taste it. Red Stripe won't taste a bit watered down.
And it's red and rich.
Yeah, oh my god, I'm gonna be packing quite a few of those.
Like red like blood, like Sledge would have said.
Red like blood, man.
Red like blood.
But watch tough cut him just walk up and down. My god.
I'll stop here so we can finish before we drive up.
Yeah, but it's crazy. Like just in space of a little bit over a year since I left Jamaica. It's like little things that have changed is like crazy. I think I'll do a vlog about that. Like,
you should definitely do that.
How it's been like. I mean, the differences since moving to Sweden. One of the differences is that Appleton doesn't make rum anymore.
It's Kingston 62.
Kingston 62. Like, what the hell? We never know that. But I mean, it still tastes alright. Or maybe it's Appleton, but they changed. I don't know. Somebody just tell me what it is. What is going on?
No, it is Appleton.
Is it Appleton?
It's just I don't know. But it seems like they changed the logo or just...
Kingston 62. Like, why 62?
Yeah.
It's because of the year Jamaica got independent?
Probably. Oh no, here comes the...
Is it Tough Cock that's coming?
Well, your window.
When there?
Should I just drive?
Just drive, because I got beg with money and I can't bother with that. Drive. Watch I know. Him know me, you know? You think him easy?
What is he doing all the way?
He walks from here all the way into Buff Bay.
Can you catch him? So, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, anyway. Yeah, guys, so
Jesus Christ.
I know, Emma go.
And I like when he comes to the window and he does this like it's so creepy.
We should entertain him because he's a bad person. He acts like he's crazy, but he's not. He knows what he's doing. That guy used to break into homes and stuff like that when I was a kid. But if you know or know him from the Buff Bay area, then you know. But yeah, now I'm hungry. Now we're hungry. We're gonna go eat and then we're going onwards. We left Portland. We're going to Uchino to spend our last days for this trip. We're gonna spend our last honeymoon days here.
I think your family deserves
and
a little time.
I'm gonna spend some time with my family also before we go. But yeah. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you in our next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.